Today's episode, I'm going to show you a recipe that's so simple and basic that can be enjoyed with a variety of things, like you can spread it over a dosa, enjoy it with roti and sabzi, or parathas, over chaats, anything that you like. So let's see the recipe for onion chutney. So there are 3 parts to this recipe. So let's start with sauteing the onions. So heat just a dash of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to tear in some dried Kashmiri Red Chillies. Deseed the chilies as well. Add these broken chilies into the hot oil. Saute it for a few seconds before we add in the onion. Now, I'm going to add in 3 shredded onions. Also add in 5 cloves of garlic. Cook the onions till they go soft. The onions have softened, and now at this point I'm going to add 1 tomato deseeded and finely chopped. Just cook this till the tomatoes are soft. So this is done. I'm going to turn off the flame and let it cool down for a few minutes. So now, time to grind. Let's take this mixture into a grinder. Add in the dry spices, a teaspoon of amchur or raw mango powder, a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, a teaspoon of fennel powder, salt to taste. Time to grind. Let's check on this. Make sure it's a smooth paste. This is done. Let's get it out. I'm going to top it up with a little bit of tadka or tempering. For that, heat a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is slightly hot, I'm going to add in some mustard seeds. So around a teaspoon. A few curry leaves. 1 green chilli, just break it and add it in, and 1/4 teaspoon of hing. This is done. I'm going to turn off the flame and just garnish the chutney with the tadka. Now you have a recipe to zing up your meal. So do give this onion chutney a try and comment below. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.